Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Aratek model and firmware so you install the correct drivers. Plug the supplied USB-C cable into the device and a stable power source. The LED should show a steady color. On your PC, log in with an administrator account and download the matching driver package if needed. Once done, keep the device powered and connected while you prepare software. This avoids interruption and ensures the PC detects the hardware immediately. Run the driver installer with elevated privileges and follow prompts. Some packages require a reboot, so allow it. After reboot, connect the Aratek via USB and open Device Manager to confirm it appears without errors. Look for serial or HID entries. Next, install the SDK or middleware your application requires, then open the app and select the Aratek from the device list. This pairing step links the software to hardware, enabling configure device settings, calibrate sensors, set idle timeouts, and enroll a test fingerprint or template to validate capture quality. Run both enrollment and verification flows in your app to confirm matching thresholds and response times. Adjust sensitivity if false rejections occur. Once successful, save configuration and export settings if supported. If something fails, first inspect cables and power, then reinstall drivers and the SDK. Finally, review device logs for error codes. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.